certified public figure. Wig splitter, Louis headscarf, I'm a drip spiller. I'm the type to slut her out and spoil her if I'm fucking with you. Break a phone, buy a bag, bitches love a toxic nigga.
We're here! We made it! Yeah!
Okay, we're trying to learn how to do a tame dog. Is this basically just doing a front flip? Yeah, that's it. Just trying to do a front flip. Yeah,
You got this! You're gonna get it! Woohoo! Go Chad!
Oh, damn.
All right.
Oh, shoot. Let's go, kid.
I might swerve in that corner. I'm sorry. 1 second.
I must swerve on the gonna roll. Nothing.
Oh, my back.
Oh, I'm gonna hit that. All right, me and Chad are gonna try to hike up to a double black. We've never done this before. We can already barely walk 10 feet because of the elevation. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna go down slim pickets, baby.
Oh, yeah.
I can't go any farther. We've already walked so far.
All right, never mind. We don't have to walk very far. We got a sled. We have made it to Slim Pickets.
All right. This is a test. There's nobody out here.
This is what I call being mad.
Chad, no! Hey, Cater.
Are you gonna go down?
I might go into you. You know how steep this is?
Oh! You almost just lost.
Yeah, Cater, you should see what it looks like up here.
I know, it looks scary. Yeah, I'm not doing it.
No?
No.
All right.
Oh, shoot. He just died.
Good? Yeah, any chance you can get that for me?
Oh, I think I should. I think I could. You're welcome. There you go. Are you cold?
No.
It looks like you're cold.
No.
Yeah. Oh, stop it!
Touch me.
Stop it!
Touch me.
Look at me. Hey! Don't touch me there! Ow! Ow! You good, boy?
I just got stabbed.
Mind if I join you?
Wait, hold up.
What's that?
What is that? Where'd you get that?
I definitely did not run into a tree.
I just got stabbed.
Alright, yeah, get down.
I'm gonna turn on the bubbles. Oh, you look rough. Got hit by a bus.
Oh,
Oh, chat.
Watch out. You're in the splash zone.
what do you mean the splash zone?
Dad! You have so much aura standing there. Oh, hit that. Woo! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ow! That hurt like a bitch.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I don't even think I can do that anymore. Ah! Ah, my butt! Oh. Ow. Oh. Oh no. Hey. Chad. Told you, man. What is that? Oh no!
Oh, that's the good stuff right here.
Chad, just stop.
Gator, look. They got music to play. One, two, three, four.